we observe in our permission set groups, we could see that here we have a field with name status, and sometimes, let's say, people consider what does it mean, when it's failed, when it's updated. So let us take a look and actually read from this official Salesforce documentation what this exactly means. So if we will go, into the appropriate Salesforce documentation page where we could find this information about permission set group status, we will be able to find the following. A permission set group calculates the combined permissions from the included permission sets. The permission set group status indicates wherever the calculation and results in permission in the group are up to date and available for assigned users. Permissions in the permission set group are calculated whenever you change a permission set contained in the permission set group. Whatever you add, delete, or edit permission set in the permission set group, a calculation is applied to ensure the correct aggregation of permissions. So users assigned to the permission set group retain and the combined permissions available in the group as in the last completed calculation. You can also manually recalculate it, look like based on what is mentioned here, a permission set group status. You can use a manual recalculation if your permission set group has a status of failed after deployment of the packages or update. On the permission set group page, then there will be recalculate button. I would suppose that this will be near wizard status, when it will be marked as failed. Here near wizard status, you will be able to see this recalculate button. And let's first of all understand what is our statuses. So for example, this one that I already have on my permission set means the following. Combined permissions are correctly reflect all permissions added to the group, right? So we could see that it's for user assignment, it's allowed, and for group editing, it's allowed, right? Outdated. Changes are captured and system is updating the permission set group, and at this moment it's unable to modify user assignments for the group, and group editing is allowed. Users assigned to the group don't yet have the updated permissions. So then we have updating. The permission set group is recalculating because of the recent changes to one or more of its permission sets. Because permission set group in general, it's like collection of the related permission sets, so that's why it's doing it like this. The recalculation process is quick, so you are rarely see the status. So at this moment, all these operations not allowed, and users assigned to the group don't yet have the updated status. When the recalculation is complete, the group status change it to updated or failed based on the result of that operation. So then the most interesting one is failed, right? If there are any reason when you see it, you could see that the permission set group recalculation failed, right? And the user assignment is not allowed, right? But group editing is allowed. And what is happening, right, when we could see that failed status? So this status is verify if a recent, so what we should do, right? Verify if a recent addition of a component to one of the permission sets in the permission set group is causing the failure. Remove the recently added component and see if the error persists. If your permission set group refers a managed package component and the managed package gets into the inactive status, the permission set group fails recalculation. If your managed package verifies that they are not expired, and while a permission set group is in a failed status, changes are not propagated to the combined permissions page. User assigned to the group don't have updated permissions. So that means that if you guys have any kind of, let's say, package permissions added into your permission set group, so please make sure that everything is good with that package. So other possible issues that there might be here, right? It's, for example, if you have some permission, let's say, sets added into the permission set group where they have assigned it to the different licenses. I think that if it's scenarios is possible, right? So in that case, you will be able to again get that failure issue. So there are, not just one reason why it's good showing up, but the actual way to fix it, right, is to actually find out that specific permission set, right, which is causing that issue, excluded from the permission set group, and only assign it separately to the users, right, who eligible to get that permission set assigned. And at this moment, that's all. Thank you guys for your attention.